Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you here once again. The educational series, has provided an informative and useful video about renters insurance. Here, we will try to cover all about renters insurance, including what is renters insurance, what does renters insurance cover, what does not renters insurance cover, and the average cost of renters insurance, and much more. For your kind information, this series has been made only for educational purpose. For any doubt, you can use the comment section. We will try our best. Let's get right to the topic without wasting any time. What is renters insurance? In layman's terms, renters insurance provides financial assistance in the event that something bad happens to you or your belongings. The insurance company accepts this in exchange for monthly premium payments from you. Consider renters insurance to be a safety net for your investment. In the event of a loss or damage caused by a designated peril, which can include theft, fire, vandalism, certain types of water damage, and a variety of other inconvenient events, the policy will kick in and assist you. In the insurance industry, we refer to an insurance policy as covering you against unfortunate events such as fires or dog bites from an out-of-control dog. However, that is only a figurative expression because the insurance company itself is not preventing those events from occurring. Rather than that, it is providing financial compensation for any resulting damages if they are indeed incurred. If your entire apartment is damaged to the point that you are unable to remain in it, renters insurance may be able to reimburse you for the nights you may have to spend at a Holiday Inn as a result of the damage. Furthermore, if you are injured at someone else's location, or if someone else is injured at your location, it will assist you with any potential medical or legal expenses. What does renters insurance cover? In most cases, renters insurance policies are divided into three main coverage categories. Personal property. When unfortunate or unexpected events occur, this type of coverage assists you in recovering the cost of your valuables if they are misplaced or damaged. Named perils are covered by standard policies. Kitchen fires, lightning, windstorms, hail, smoke, vandalism, theft, freezing, damage from aircraft or vehicles, and riots are all examples of extremely unpleasant occurrences. It's important to remember, however, that if the items in your apartment belong to your landlord, they will not be covered by your insurance policy. The term furniture refers to any furniture that came with the property, as well as certain appliances. Furthermore, your renter's insurance policy does not cover any belongings that your roommates may have. They would need to purchase their own individual policies. Expenses for a temporary place of residence. If covered perils cause your home to become uninhabitable, you may need to spend some time in a hotel until the situation is stabilized. The good news is that most renters' insurance policies will cover these and other expenses, including any money you may need to spend on food and laundry while you are away from your apartment. Personal liability and medical bills. Renters insurance coverage extends to situations in which someone is injured at your residence as a result of an accident, including hospital bills and legal fees incurred as a result of a lawsuit. It also covers certain types of damage that you may cause while you're away from your house or apartment. What does not renters insurance cover? Renters insurance is a wonderful thing, but it is not a magical cloak of invincibility. It won't protect you from every bad thing that can happen on a daily basis. So it's important to understand what is and isn't covered by your insurance policy. Natural disasters such as flooding or earthquakes. Flooding, sinkholes, and earthquakes are all common occurrences in the area where your apartment is located. Natural disasters such as hurricanes and tornadoes are typically not covered by standard renters insurance. You are not required to relocate from San Francisco, South Beach, or any other beautiful but disaster-prone area you may be fortunate enough to call home. You can purchase a separate flood insurance policy through other insurers, and Lemonade Insurance Company offers standalone earthquake coverage in certain areas of the country. Important to keep in mind is that a renter's insurance policy will cover you in the event of a natural disaster, such as a volcanic eruption, wildfire, or tornado. However, damages and related expenses resulting from certain occurrences, such as widespread power outages, will not be covered. Theft involving automobiles. In the corner, you park your Volvo and leave your phone on the passenger seat. If someone commits an old-fashioned smash and grab to steal your iPhone X, renter's insurance will cover the cost of replacing the smartphone. However, damage to the vehicle itself, such as a broken window, is not covered by renter's insurance. In the event that some drunken prankster decides to rip off your rearview mirror for amusement, the same rules apply. Furthermore, actual theft of your entire car, or of specific parts of it, would not be covered as personal property under your renter's insurance policy if it occurred. Even thought motor vehicles are generally excluded from renter's insurance. Certain types of e-bikes are covered under certain conditions. Motorized medical devices, such as motorized wheelchairs or scooters, that are used for medical purposes may also be covered. Items that are not documented. While we have complete faith in you and know that you would never lie or falsify anything under any circumstances, an insurance company does require some level of proof that the item you're claiming actually existed and was in your possession. Your roommate's belongings. Renter's insurance from Lemonade is a great choice for you because you're extremely conscientious. You, on the other hand, live with 3 other guys who don't. Unless they are blood relatives, your spouse, or an adopted child, your insurance policy will not be able to help them if their belongings are damaged or stolen by someone else. If your roommates aren't aware of the many reasons why renter's insurance is a fantastic idea, you can educate them on the subject yourself after you've finished reading this article. The average cost of renter's insurance. According to NerdWallet's most recent rate analysis, the average cost of renter's insurance in the United States is $168 per year, or approximately $14 per month. This estimate is based on a hypothetical 30-year-old tenant who has $30,000 in personal property coverage, $100,000 in liability coverage, and a $500 deductible on his or her renter's insurance policy. Rental insurance rates vary depending on where you live and how much coverage you require. While the national average is a useful benchmark, the rates for renter's insurance vary depending on where you live and how much coverage you require. Finally, in this whole series, we discussed about renter's insurance, including what is renter's insurance, what does renter's insurance cover, what does not renter's insurance cover, and the average cost of renter's insurance, and much more. Hope you understand and found this series more informative and useful. Thanks for joining us. Hope you have a beautiful day.